It's some time. Hi guys! Did you check out our video on why do cats have vertical pupils? Wow, that was amazing, right? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between.
Why do cats have vertical pupils?
Wait, I'll explain. A pupil is an opening in the iris which regulates the amount of light entering the eye. What is iris? A cartilage, a bone, some's toy, a muscle. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Carefully think and write your guess in the comments section.
The right answer is option number 4. That is, a muscle. Now, not only cats, but also predators like crocodiles, snakes, etc. have vertical pupils. Since these animals hunt in day as well as at night, vertical pupils allow a greater control of the amount of light entering the eye. Animals that are more active at night are called dark animals, nocturnal animals, light-sensitive animals, diurnal animals. Are you ready? Your time starts now! The correct answer is option number 2. That is, nocturnal animals.
Greater than my round pupils?
Yes. Round pupils in humans can change their area by a factor of 15, while vertical pupils can change their area by a factor of 135. Hence, on a bright day, predators can turn their pupils into narrow slits, allowing less light to enter and thus preventing their eyes from getting dazzled. Which of the following animals have vertical pupils? Goats, tigers, lions, foxes. Come on guys, clock is ticking. Start typing your answers.
What are you waiting for? I can't seem to find your comment. Write it fast!
The correct answer is option number 4. That is, foxes. Also, when there is less light or in near darkness, the vertical pupils expand to a strikingly large extent, allowing more light and thus helping the predators to see and hunt more precisely. Pupils exist in which of the following shapes? C, S, W, L. Looks like a tricky one. Anyways, your time starts now. The answer is option number 3, that is, W.